To start, let's navigate to this big green button that says Insert Stimuli. And once we press this button, we'll see that a bunch of stimuli and response mechanisms pop up, but we're going to talk about text boxes right now. So once we hit text box, you'll see that the text box shows up. We can click and drag anywhere. And if we click the corner, we can resize however we want. And we can reposition in the middle here. Once we kind of set it up where we want it to be, we can go over to the right side where there's properties, and we can type in, text box insert words blah blah, and it pops up. We can change the font size here. Let's make it 30. Or we can enable rich text to make it a little bit more lively. We can change the font, make it wide. Let's make it bigger and bold. And we can change the centering or the left justified. So after we actually put the words in the text box, we can do something called a time display. And what this does is presents the stimuli or the text box after a certain number of seconds or milliseconds to be precise, and then it takes it away if you want. So what we need to do is hit enable time display, and everything is inputted in milliseconds. So if you want 1 second, you have to put 1,000. And if we wanted to take it away, say after for 1 second, then we put 2,000. And the last thing is to adjust the position and size manually. So what we did before was to drag the position and resize by dragging it here. But you can also input it manually by saying, hey, let's go 900 or 100, and it'll change the size of the text box. But for argument's sake, let's just do that. Let's save. Oh, we need a response mechanism for the sake of the trial. But let's save and preview, and what it'll do is delay 1 second, show the text box, and then take it away after a second. There you go.